I would not be able to manage 450 properties without a software program like this. It was not so much that I was actually responsible for the move in or the move out. It was just that I had to constantly get after people and monitor to make sure they were doing what they were supposed to be doing.
Yeah.
And when it all happened without me having to do that, I knew that it was successful.
My thought process was that it's going to be just a check-off list type of system. So once getting into it, getting involved with it, learning emailing, learning note-taking, and the connection with that folio that it did, tracking everything as well as it does, it just far exceeded what I expected. If you start off with this program with LeadSimple, it's just going to eliminate so much guesswork down the line. It'll help you flow so much easier. It'll eliminate the headache. It'll help you sleep a little bit better at night, thinking, what did I forget to do? Because it's all there already.
Like I said, I wouldn't be able to do this all by myself if I didn't have LeadSimple right now.